Every human life is shaped by one invisible force, knowledge, what we believe, what we think we know, what we assume is true. But what is knowledge, really, and how far can the human mind go before it reaches a limit? Civilizations rise on knowledge, science depends on it, faith challenges it, and power is built upon it. Yet, we rarely stop to ask, how do we know anything at all? Traditionally, knowledge is defined as justified true belief. But this definition already hides deep problems. What counts as truth? What counts as justification? Science approaches knowledge through observation, measurement, and prediction. If a claim can be tested, repeated, and falsified, it earns the title of knowledge. But science never claims absolute certainty, only increasing accuracy. All scientific knowledge begins with the senses. But senses do not show reality as it is, they translate it. Color, sound, and texture exist inside the brain, not in the world itself. Modern neuroscience reveals a shocking fact. The brain does not perceive reality directly. It constructs a useful model, an interface designed for survival, not truth. Science explains how things behave, but often remains silent about why they exist at all. Why laws exist, why the universe is intelligible, why there is something rather than nothing. Philosophy asks deeper questions. Does reality exist independently of the mind? Or does the mind participate in creating what is known? This divides thought into realism and idealism. Realism claims the world exists as it is, regardless of us. Idealism suggests reality is inseparable from consciousness. Both views struggle with paradoxes. Neither can fully escape mystery. Skeptics question everything. How do we know we are not deceived? How do we know the world is not an illusion? Absolute certainty seems unreachable. Thought is shaped by language. If something cannot be expressed, can it truly be known? The limits of language become the limits of understanding. Quantum physics challenges classical knowledge. Observation changes outcomes. Reality appears probabilistic. Certainty collapses at the smallest scales. Is the observer part of reality? Modern physics suggests reality is built from information. But information requires interpretation, and interpretation requires consciousness. Knowledge and reality seem deeply intertwined. If knowledge depends on the mind, then the mind is not a passive observer. It is an active participant in the universe. Mystical traditions go even further. They claim true knowledge is not intellectual, but experiential. To know reality, one must become it. Meditative and mystical experiences report direct insight, beyond words, beyond concepts. Is this illusion, or a deeper form of knowing? Some traditions suggest consciousness is fundamental. The universe does not produce mind. Mind produces the universe. Knowledge, then, is self-recognition of reality. Human knowledge is limited by biology, language, time, and even there may be truths we are structurally unable to grasp, not because they are hidden, but because we are not built to see them. True wisdom may lie not in knowing everything, but in recognizing the limits of knowing. Ignorance, acknowledged, becomes insight. Is knowledge a mirror of reality or a dialogue with it? Are we discovering truth or co-creating it? Perhaps the question itself is the path. Knowledge is not a destination, it is a journey shaped by curiosity, doubt, and wonder. If this video expanded your perspective, like and subscribe for deeper explorations of science, philosophy, and consciousness. Because the greatest mystery is not what we know, but that we can know it all.